next lesson is about tap walks. Now back in Never Too Late, you learned how to do your tap walk going heel toe forward, toe heel going back. In this lesson, we are going to include walking side to side. We'll do heel toe with one foot and then toe heel behind with the other foot to force you to travel to the side. It can be a little tricky when you first try it because you're doing one thing with the right foot and something different with the left foot, but give it a try. I think you'll get it. You're going to do 8 going forward and 8 going back. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 going back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to do 4 going forward and 4 back. 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go 2 forward, 2 back twice. So that's heel, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, heel. Then we're going to go side to side. So you're going to do heel, toe with the first foot and then toe, heel with the second. So you go heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, touch. Then we go to the left, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, touch. Then we go to the right again for just 2. Heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, touch. Then to the left, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, touch. And then we're doing 1 4 times. Heel, toe, touch, heel, toe, touch, heel, toe, touch, heel, toe, touch. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, going back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, heel. Heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, toe, touch. Heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, toe, touch. Heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, touch. Heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, touch. Heel, toe, touch, heel, toe,